Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. So today I do have two Walgreens transactions for you guys. These deals started today, which is January 24th, and they are good up until Saturday, January 30th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you would go ahead and take out the time to click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload a video. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into it, you guys. So I have two transactions. Throughout both of these transactions, I didn't use any digital coupons. I only used two paper coupons. So both of my transactions went really great. I had no issues. Exactly what I calculated both transactions to be. That is exactly what the total was. So today was a win for me. So let's go ahead and get started with my first transaction. So in my first transaction, I have pretty much the toothpaste and everything that you see here. And then I also have two Downy Unstoppables hiding back here. So with the Arizona juices are just priced at Walgreens this week to $4 or 50 cents each. No coupons for those. I just wanted to grab those because I did use registry rewards on this transaction. So I grabbed a total of 10. So that totaled me $5. And then I grabbed two of the Downy Unstoppables and then the Downy fabric softener. And the deal with this week at Walgreens is that they are priced at $2.99. And the deal is when you buy three, you will receive a $3 registry reward. I personally didn't have any coupons for these. No coupons on the app, but I know that you can go to the PG Good Everyday website and print off a 50-cent Tide Simply coupon because the Tide Simply is also a part of this deal. I personally did not want the Tide Simply because whenever I try to sell that in my bundles, it just never does well for me. So I just decided to go ahead and get the Downy and the Downy Unstoppables. So each one cost $2.99. So $2.99 times 3 is $8.97. Again, no coupons, but when you buy three, you will receive a $3 registry reward back. I did get my registry reward back, but I used it on my second transaction. So $8.97 minus the $3 registry reward that I received back, that brought my total down to $5.97 for all three, or it makes each one $1.99. And then with the Colgate toothpaste, the Colgate toothpaste is priced this week at Walgreens for $2.99. The deal is when you buy two, you will receive a $5 registry reward. I did use two printable coupons that I printed from the Colgate website, and they were for 75 cents off of one. So I went ahead and printed two of those. So you will purchase two Colgate toothpaste at $2.99, and that will bring your total to $5.98. I used a total of $1.50 in coupons, so $5.98 minus that $1.50 in coupons that I used brought the total down to $4.48. And remember, when you buy two, you will receive a $5 registry reward. I also received my $5 registry reward for the Colgate, and I also used that $5 registry reward on my second transaction. So $4.48 minus the $5 registry reward that I received, it made my total completely free plus a 52-cent moneymaker. So if you would like to stock up on Colgate, get some free Colgate this week, just go, and you don't have any digital coupons or any other paper coupons, just go to the Colgate website and you should be able to print off those 75-cent coupons. And then with the Crest mouthwash, this is the 1 liter. So those, I went ahead and purchased two, and they are priced at Walgreens this week for $3.99. And the deal is when you buy two, you will receive a $4 registry reward. So I purchased two at $3.99. That brought my total to $7.98. I didn't have any digital coupons, but I did use the $5 off personal care item coupon on those two. So $7.98 minus that $5 coupon, it brought the total down to $2.98. And because I purchased two, I did receive back my $4 registry reward, and I also used that $4 registry reward on my second transaction. So $2.98 minus the $4 registry reward that I received, that made both of those completely free plus a $1.02 moneymaker. And so that is everything that I got in my first transaction, you guys. So let me go ahead and show you all my receipts. So as you guys can see, all of my Arizonas rung up to $4. Both of my Crest mouthwash rung up at $3.99, so $7.98. My Downy at $2.99. Both Colgates at $2.99, so $5.98. Both Downy Unstoppables at $2.99, so $5.98. And then the $5 off of a $5 purchase is actually the personal care item coupon. Both of my Colgate toothpaste came off. And then I used a total of 4 registry rewards. I used three $3 registry rewards and 1 $2 registry reward. And so my subtotal came out to be $10.43. I did use $10 in Walgreens cash, so I paid 43 cents out of pocket. I didn't get any points back, but I did get back my $5 registry reward for the Colgate, my $4 registry reward for the Crest, and then my $3 registry reward for the Downy Unstoppables and the Downy fabric softener. So 43 cents out of pocket. And I got back a total of $12 in registry rewards. So that is my first transaction, you guys. So now let's go ahead and move on over to my second transaction. I went ahead and grabbed 2 of the Snuggle Super Care In Wash Scent Boosters. This Snuggle fabric softener, and then this Snuggle fabric conditioner. I also grabbed 2 Scott paper towels and then 2 Scott toilet papers. So with the Snuggle, you can choose between the Snuggle or the All Laundry Detergent. So they are priced this week at Walgreens for $3.99. And the deal is when you buy 3, you will get 1 free. So you will have to purchase 4. 3 will ring up at $3.99. The 4th one will ring up free. I didn't have any coupons at all to use on these. I don't even know if there are any coupons out, but if so, use them to make your costs even lower. But for me, I didn't have any coupons. So $3.99 times 3 is $11.97. So that is how much you would pay for all 4. When you divide that $11.97 by 4, it makes each one of those just $2.99. And then for the Scott paper towels and the toilet paper, these are just priced at Walgreens, regularly priced at $5. There is a 125 IVC coupon that you can use. For me, I clipped the IVC coupon to my account. That way I didn't have to use the book. But if you would like to use the book, you can use the coupon savings book. So you will purchase one at $5 when you use that 125 IVC coupon. It'll bring your total down to just $3.75. So for every 2 that you purchase, your total will be $7.50. Now you can go to the Scott brand website and go ahead and see if you can print off some coupons. Unfortunately, on my account and my husband's account, we didn't have any more of the coupons, probably because I already had printed them last week sometime, so I wasn't able to print any coupons for the Scott this week, but that is okay. So if you want to stock up, just go to the Scott brand website to see if you can print off some of those coupons. And so that is everything that I got in my second transaction. And then on this transaction, I also used registry rewards, and then I had the $5 off of a $25 purchase booster coupon, so that came off as well. So let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt. So as you guys can see, all 3 of my Snuggle rung up at $3.99. The 4th one did ring up free. The Scott Comfort Plus tissue at $5. The Store IVC 125 came off twice, so $2.50. Same thing with the Scott paper towels, 2 for $5. $5 each, so $10. The IVC coupon came off twice, taking off $2.50. My $5 off of a $25 purchase came off. I used a $4 registry reward, a $5 and a $3 registry reward. So that brought my subtotal to $9.97, including the taxes, $1.62. I did use $10 in Walgreens cash, and I paid the taxes out of pocket. Of course, I used my PayPal card. And then I didn't get back any points or any registry rewards, but this was a good transaction for me because I only had to pay taxes. So that is it for the both of my transactions, you guys. Not too many good deals that I can see this week at Walgreens, but so I don't know if I'm going to do another transaction or not. I'm probably going to do an online order. I need to check and see what I can find. But other than that, this is it for this video, you guys. If you all enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments in the comment section letting me know what you guys are getting this week at Walgreens. And that is going to be it. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.